Welcome to English Guidance Class. In today's video, we will learn from the conversation between Sophie and Nina in the campus cafeteria. Through this story, you'll practice your English listening and speaking skills and learn useful vocabulary and phrasal verbs that you can use in your daily life conversations.
I entered the cafeteria, holding my lunch tray. My friend Nina was already at our usual corner table. She noticed me and waved with a bright smile.
Hi, Sophie. You look so tired today. Did you sleep late?
Hey, Nina. No, actually, I went to bed early, but I couldn't sleep well.
Oh no, that sounds hard.
Yeah, it's not only last night. For a few nights now, my sleep is really bad.
Really? You can't fall asleep?
Yes, I close my eyes, but I just keep turning and moving in bed.
Maybe something is on your mind. Are you worried about something?
Well, maybe. I have so many assignments, and exams are coming soon too.
That's a lot of work.
Yes, but in the day, I don't feel very stressed. I feel okay.
Sometimes you don't feel stress in the day, but your brain still thinks a lot at night.
You mean my brain is busy even when I don't notice it?
Exactly. That's why you cannot relax.
Maybe you're right. But I really need sleep. What should I do?
Can I ask you something? Do you use your phone before bed?
Yes, always. I scroll on social media until I feel sleepy.
Aha! That might be the problem.
Really? Why?
The phone has strong light. The light tells your brain, stay awake, so you don't feel sleepy.
Oh no, I didn't know that.
Many people have this problem.
So I should stop using my phone at night?
Not stop completely, but maybe put your phone away 1 hour before bed.
Then what should I do? I will feel bored.
You can read a book or listen to soft music. That helps.
A book sounds nice. Maybe I can try music too.
Yes. Something calm, not loud songs.
Okay, I'll try that tonight. But what if I still cannot sleep?
Then don't get angry. Just stay calm. Sleep will come slowly.
But that is the problem. I get angry.
What do you think about in bed?
I think, why am I not sleeping? What's wrong with me? Then I feel more nervous.
See? That makes it worse.
I know. It's like a circle.
Yes, a bad cycle. You think too much.
So I should relax and not think about sleep.
Exactly. Don't fight with sleep. Just relax.
I will try.
Good. Don't worry, Sophie. You will be fine.
Thanks, Nina. Talking with you always helps me.
That's what best friends are for.
I'm lucky to have you.
and I'm lucky to have you too. Now, let's eat before the food gets cold. Let's review the phrasal verbs that we learned today. Went to bed, down in bed to sleep. Fall asleep, to start sleeping. Turn and move in bed. To keep changing position because you cannot sleep. Be on your mind. To be in your thoughts or worries. Scroll on. To move the screen up or down on a phone or computer. Stay awake. To not sleep, to keep your eyes open. Put away. To keep something aside, not use it. Get angry. To become mad or upset. Think about. To have something in your mind. Fight with, sleep. To try hard to sleep instead of relaxing.